This view is a gift for the soul. Far and wide the tall mountains stand with their full glory. From their peaks flows crystal clear water, forming a beautiful waterfall. The sound of falling water is like a gentle melody that touches the heart. A soft breeze carries the scent of flowers. Rays of the sun shine on the mountains, spreading golden light. Everywhere there is greenery that cools the eyes. The chirping of birds brings the scene to life. This place feels like a paradise where one can forget every sorrow. Every drop that falls from the waterfall tells its own story. This view reminds us that the true beauty of nature is hidden in its simplicity. If you wish for peace in life, take a journey to a place like this. Every moment here becomes a memory that lives in the heart. And when you leave, your heart whispers, "I wish I could stay here forever." At the foot of the mountains lies a garden full of colors. Roses, lilies, and wildflowers sway gently in the breeze. The soft grass feels like a natural carpet under your feet. Butterflies dance from flower to flower, as if celebrating the beauty of the day. The fragrance in the air is sweet and calming. From the garden, you can still hear the soothing voice of the waterfall in the distance. Its mist touches your face like a gentle kiss from nature. Tall trees stand like silent guardians, watching over this paradise. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating golden patterns on the ground. Everywhere you look, there is harmony between the mountain, the waterfall, and the garden. It feels as if the earth itself is breathing with peace. In this place, time slows down, and the heart learns to listen to the language. As you walk deeper into the garden, the soft murmur of the waterfall grows stronger. The sunlight dances on the surface of the water like countless tiny stars. A gentle path winds between the flowers, leading toward the sound. Birds glide above the trees, their wings brushing the air with grace. The water flows from the mountain, as if carrying the purity of the clouds. Each drop sparkles in the light before joining the stream below. The air feels fresh and cool, wrapping around you like a soft blanket. You pause to watch the way the garden blends into the wild forest beyond. It is a meeting of calm and strength, beauty and power. The mountain stands tall behind it, all holding the waterfall in its timeless embrace. In this moment, there is nothing but peace and the deep, quiet voice of nature speaking to your heart. It is a place where mountains guard the horizon and a waterfall sings at its heart. The air is filled with the fragrance of flowers and the cool mist from the falling water. Petals glisten under the sunlight as droplets from the waterfall land softly upon them. The stream winds through the garden like a silver ribbon, carrying life to every leaf and blossom. Butterflies drift above the blooms, their wings catching the light in gentle flashes. The mountains stand tall behind it, all their peaks touching the soft clouds. Birdsong blends with the music of the water, creating a harmony that feels eternal. The grass underfoot is soft and green, inviting you to walk slowly and breathe deeply. In every direction, there is a sense of balance between the wild beauty of the mountains and the tender care of the garden. You feel as if you have stepped into a living dream, a paradise shaped by both nature and time.